How to manage your British Airways booking online. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Planning a trip with British Airways? Managing your booking online is super easy and saves time. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to handle your reservation through the official Manage My Booking portal. Whether you need to check in, add baggage, or make changes, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the 5 key steps. Hit like and subscribe for more travel hacks. Point 1. Accessing your booking. First, go to the British Airways website and click on Manage My Booking, or visit britishairways.com and search for it. You'll need your 6-character booking reference from your confirmation email and the last name of the passenger. Enter these details to log in. No account is required for basic access, but signing into your British Airways Executive Club account gives you more options. Pro tip: do this on a desktop or the BA app for the best experience. Point 2. View details and AMP. Make changes. Once inside, you'll see your full itinerary, flight times, seats, and baggage allowance. You can change dates or flights, if your fare allows, update passenger details, or cancel the booking. Note: cancellation fees will be shown up front. For major changes like passenger name swaps after 24 hours, you may need to cancel and rebook. Always check fare rules before proceeding. Point 3. Seat selection and AMP. Upgrades. Next, select or change your seats using the interactive seat map. Choose window, aisle, or extra legroom seats. Fees may apply. You can also request upgrades to Club World or First if available. Do this early as popular seats fill up fast. Save your selections before exiting. Point 4. Add extras like baggage and AMP. Meals. Add extra baggage at cheaper online rates before check-in. Go to the baggage section, select the amount, and pay securely, card or Avios. You can also specify special meals or dietary requirements. Adding these online is cheaper and more convenient than at the airport. Point 5. Online check-in and AMP. Boarding pass. From 24 hours before departure, click Check-in and Manage My Booking. Confirm details, select seats if not done already, and get your mobile or printable boarding pass. Download it or add to your wallet. This skips long queues at the airport. Conclusion: there you have it, 5 simple steps to manage your British Airways booking like a pro. Always double-check everything and contact BA support for complex changes. Safe travels. Drop your questions in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more airline guides. See you in the next video.